All India Congress Committee la spokesperson Dolly Sharma Baji Dimapur the National Talent Hunt program launch korise Dimapur District Congress Committee office Dimapur de National Talent Hunt to ekta platform ase koise young minds khan laka talent dikhable I details abo.
Good morning friends, and I welcome you all here, and today I'm here to launch the National Talent Hunt. Today All India Congress Committee Media Department along with the Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee is proud to launch the National Talent Hunt in Nagaland. Nagaland has immense talent, powerful voices, intelligent researchers, creative media minds, but unfortunately many young people do not get the right platform to grow and lead. This initiative is not just about politics. It's not about politics, it's about empowerment. Through this talent, we aim to polish, train and empower the next generation of spokespersons, researchers and publicity coordinators. We want young people who believe in democracy, who believe in truth and who want responsibility. Nagaland's youth deserve opportunities, not just promises. Congress believes leadership must come from the ground. We want local voices to represent local issues in the national level. We invite every young person with confidence, commitment and courage to come forward, scan the QR code and apply. Become the voice of change, help shape the future. This is your platform, this is your moment. Congress is always, it is a party who has always given the young minds a platform where they can show their talent. This is also one such initiative where we want the young, the youth, whosoever is interested to show their talent at national levels. Congress is going to give the platform. So we are here to launch this campaign, this National Talent Hunt program, wherein you can see a QR code. With this QR code, you do not need anybody to push you. It is, you just scan this QR code and you can directly apply through this. And your applications will reach the All India Congress Committee Media Department. They will reach directly AICC headquarters. And from there, we have 3 posts. So one is spokesperson, the other is national panelist, and the third one is a researcher. People who are interested in leading the post of spokesperson can apply. A person who is interested in becoming a national panelist can apply, and a person who does not want to be a spokesperson but has research capabilities, who can research, can also apply through this QR code. So we have 3 places for which they can apply. They should not get confused. As I told you, 3 places, for 3 places they can apply. So today we are here to launch this campaign because there are several issues which get unaddressed. Issues of Nagaland also, which we want that you should come up and address nationally. Issues related to the national level, national issues, they can come and address. So this is one such platform that AICC Media Department is going to give to the youth, to the young, to whosoever would want to become the voice of the nation. So I, with the working president, with the Mahila Congress working president, with the media chairmen, with all the dignitaries sitting with me, is going to launch this poster. Voices from all the Nagaland, from all the districts of Nagaland can apply for this. You do not need anybody, any push from anyone. You just scan the QR code and apply directly. Our district level Congress committees will also push in their districts. They will take this initiative to all the districts of Nagaland so that any voice from any district can come, can apply. Our social media departments of the Congress party, our All India Congress committee pages have already done it. All India Congress Committee Nagaland will also do it. District levels will also take this initiative up, and you will see this QR code here and can apply directly. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all the media fraternity who are here. First and foremost, I would like to express my appreciation and thanks to All India Congress Committee for having launched this National Talent Hunt. And we have in our midst a very dynamic leader, Srimati Dolly Sharma, who's come all the way here to launch this. I believe that the whole country, we believe in unity in diversity. Unity in diversity in a very small way also. Northeast is so diverse, but it is united because of the stance taken by right-thinking citizens. The opportunity which has been given with this National Talent Hunt will go a long way in strengthening and also highlighting the problems and the demands of the youths of today, even in the national stage. And therefore, I urge especially the youths who are eager to serve the people, who are eager to serve the nation, also participate. I believe that Northeast is a reservoir of talent. It has a lot of talents, and especially in Nagaland also, it has a lot of talents which can be tapped and whose talent can be also used in the national level to voice out the difficulties, to voice out the requirements which is very much needed, especially in the state of Nagaland as well as Northeast. I once again thank Srimati Dolly Sharma for making her presence here as the nodal coordinator to launch this National Talent Hunt. This is something which is going to benefit all, and especially the young minds, the young ones who are eager to voice the requirements and the demands of the youths of today. I would urge all of you to take very active participation in this and come forward to be a part of this process of development and nation building. Thank you.
Gauri balpra kiniga damor hoi jane bole mon ase. Gauri kane spunky kuigina dana introduce kriasi. Kuntu balpra saigina gauri ge nutrition digina damor banable nimide ola laga ase. Ito do Messrs. DD Poultry Khatkati Karbi Anglong Assam kuntu check ke do sorde ase tade pai jabo.